Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sistem Stationary Refuse Compactor atau dengan singkatan SRC ini dicipta ialah untuk menjamin pemeliharaan alam sekitar dan kesihatan awam. Sistem ini juga akan memberikan perkhidmatan yang efisien dengan kos yang efektif. Ia juga akan melahirkan penduduk yang mementingkan kebersihan dan dapat menangani masalah sisa pekerja yang semakin rumit. Secara tidak langsung, ianya juga akan memberi pemahaman kepada penduduk tentang pentingnya penjagaan alam sekitar.
SRC is created by Dsme Engineering Sdn Bhd. Dsme Engineering Sdn Bhd is a company owned by 100% Bhumiputra. SRC system is a garbage compressor system specially created for the convenience and comfort that is suitable for commercial buildings, offices, apartments, condominiums, shopping center, hypermarket and others. It can compress the waste ratio 3:1. On top of that, it also reduces the cost of garbage collection. With the disorderant 3:1, SRC system can be prevented from rust and reduce odors, help to eliminate flies and rodents. In terms of safety, the SRC system is equipped with a system of fire prevention and alarm system for public safety. With its low operating costs, the price includes the cost of maintenance. SRC system will be able to provide solutions to the garbage problem. Dsme Engineering Sdn Bhd will not only supply the system, but it also comes with maintenance services for SRC in the event of arbitrary damage. Indirectly, Dsme Engineering Sdn Bhd has been the Malaysian government call in promoting Malaysian products. SRC is created based on cubic meter capacity by every appropriate size of development. The system uses a hydraulic electromechanism to operate. Besides that, it is safe to use with automatic handling systems for fully enclosed. It can also be used manually for maintenance work. The system is easy to maintain if there are any complications that arise. The method of SRC system operation is start with the trash put in the SRC and compressed by the packer blade attached with this ordering spray. The conveyor screw will be rotated forward and backward for 5 seconds in each session. After that, the waste will be transferred to the waste storage until it's full. With the layhead system, waste water from the compressed waste will be channeled directly into sewers through existing channels. Press the switch will give a single beep where the density of the storage is full. The aim of this operation is solidify and stabilize the waste. After completion of these operations, the waste that has been compressed will be transferred to the compactor truck, subsequently to the waste disposal center. As a safety precaution, woods, glass, bottles, iron and stone are not allowed to pass through the compression process in the SRC system. With today's high technology, SRC system is equipped with alert system to facilitate monitoring of any damage directly to SRC online. In conclusion, solid waste compressor of SRC system from Dsme Engineering Sdn Bhd is a garbage compression system with highly effective, very efficient, easier and utilize of the cleanliness of the environment and the welfare of the people.